In just over a year, I've earned $225 with the Play Octopus advertising tablet. After the initial sign-up process, this is completely passive income. It is a no-brainer in my opinion. Let's discuss. Alright, again, Play Octopus is an advertising tablet. Riders can play games. There's also ride information that's displayed, as well as interactive ads. And drivers can sign up for the tablet. It's completely free, and again, once you have it in place, it's completely passive income. It's free money. As far as the payout structure, you get $25 for every 250 points earned, and you earn a point for every ride that you give. You earn a half a point for every time the rider plays a game, and you can also earn $25 by referring other drivers. Also, after you initially sign up, you earn a $25 bonus once you start driving with the tablet. I'm not exactly sure how they're paying out that initial bonus now, but last year when I signed up, it was after my first 50 points, I received that initial $25 bonus. The sign-up process is straightforward. After I completed the sign-up process, I received my tablet 2 days later. And I actually did make a video on the sign-up process last year, and the link to that video will be in the description. After you have the tablet completely set up, all you have to do is turn it on and off every day that you drive, keep it charged, and give rides on Uber and Lyft. They do recommend that you bring the tablet indoors every day. The only time I bring my tablet in is in the winter months when it's really frigid here in Minnesota. The tablet can get really cold, but during the warmer months, I just leave it in my car and have had no issues. Again, in just over a year, I've earned $225. That equates to 2,159 lifetime points, and you can see I'm 91 points from earning my next $25 payout. I personally give about 40 rides per week, and my payouts have come like clockwork pretty much every 2 months. My initial payment was that activation bonus after my first 50 points, and then you can see I had payouts on August of last year, September, October, December, and you can see this year I've received payouts in February, April, June, and August. And these payouts go directly to the bank account that I have linked to the Play Octopus app. Again, I've earned $225. I average about 40 rides per week, but full-time drivers could make double that amount. The current tablet that I have is actually my second tablet. Play Octopus sent me an upgraded tablet back in May, and the first tablet that they sent me last year was actually a bit buggy. It would power on and off a few times by itself every single day, and it was a little bit thinner, and it would make a rattling noise when I was driving. But this second tablet, the upgraded tablet, I'm not having either of those issues with this tablet. Again, I feel like this is a no-brainer for all rideshare drivers. It's completely passive income. It's just free money that you can earn for the work that you're already doing by giving rides with Uber and Lyft. And also, Play Octopus is just one of the things that I do to save, essentially earn an extra $1,000 every single year. And I did make a video on that recently, and if you've yet to watch that, that link will be in the description. But what about all of you that have a Play Octopus tablet? What about you full-time drivers? How much have you earned with Play Octopus? And if you've yet to get a Play Octopus tablet, please do. It's free money, and our referral link will be in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on things other rideshare drivers do that get on my nerves, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.